There's nothing quite like opening your email inbox to a newsletter, sales catalog, or message alert. But for such a direct channel, frequency and quality matter. Poor templates, spammy content, and bad design are all reasons subscribers can churn. So ensuring what you're sending people meets their standards is vital. And a key to ensuring that is using the best quality designs. MailChimp templates are email templates tailor-made to work with the MailChimp platform. From creative to corporate emails, these templates have you covered. And to give you a taste of just how they can revolutionize your workflow, we've compiled this list of the 10 best email templates for MailChimp. All items featured in this list are available on Envato Elements, an unlimited subscription service that helps bring ideas to life. With access to millions of design assets and services, simply download whatever items you want, as many times as you want, to enhance your creative projects. Number 10. This B2B newsletter template is an excellent choice for content creators with a corporate audience in mind. Featuring a buttoned-up design, formal yet friendly color scheme, and MailChimp and Gmail compatibility, wrap your content together with this easy-to-use email maker. Offering drag-and-drop functionality, use its responsive templates pre-made for MailChimp, and pick from the multiple layouts and colors. With plain HTML and PSD files included, customize the backgrounds, fonts, and more with a click of a button. Get your content ready for enterprise customers with this one. Number 9. Genuine e-commerce newsletter template is a high-quality email framework built for fashion stores, blogs, ad catalogs, and more. From product campaigns to showcasing your content in media, this MailChimp-compatible template is fully responsive, perfect for a range of business types, and is written in plain HTML. The well-organized PSD is included with multiple layouts and support for all email clients. The design is minimal yet stylish, perfect for heroing your products. And to top it all off, it has drag-and-drop functionality. Make the sale every time with this one. Number 8. Send well-designed email notifications with this one by Rocketway. From welcomes to thank yous, create stylish, friendly, and informative notifications to do everything from telling people their orders are ready to alerting them something may be wrong. This versatile template pack includes the HTML files, Photoshop project, and documentation. The design is full width with clean commented code, and putting your own content together is a cinch with the drag and drop, duplicate, and delete modules. Each email template has a modular structure with the versatility to change the colors, edit text, link background images with a custom URL, and more. And the designs are fully responsive. Put bad design on notice with this one. Number 7. Sartre is a professional email design toolkit for creatives and agencies looking to make unique and impactful email marketing campaigns. With 15 ready-to-use layouts and over 120 modules, build on this structurally sound foundation for your next email newsletter. Create carefully crafted emails using templates based on original WordPress themes, aligning the design of your emails with your site. Fully responsive with easy-to-change background images in MailChimp, adjust the colors, grids, and typography depending on the email client and screen size. Create awesome backgrounds, gradients, and more that will work across email apps, and use the highly optimized code to create emails that load fast and don't get cut off by Gmail. Always look professional with this one. Number 6. Say hello to this multi-purpose email notification template that lets you build your own email notifications in a matter of minutes. Featuring a responsive design that looks great on any screen size, plus endless customization opportunities, use this pack to create beautiful MailChimp designs. It features a fully layered PSD, drag-and-drop builder, Google Fonts, and more. The sections include friend request notifications, submission notifications, comment activity, and order confirmation. The pack comes complete with HTML code, MailChimp compatible file, and a well-organized PSD. Deliver good news well with this one. If you're enjoying this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the Envato channel for more MailChimp templates. Number 5. Get your retail into the inboxes of your customers in a beautifully designed way with Shop by Castellab. A fully responsive email template set, it's compatible with MailChimp, features drag and drop functionality, and a modular design. You can duplicate and delete pre-made modules, save your edited template to your desktop, and edit as much as you want. The colors are changeable, the text can be easily customized, the previews are highly detailed and offer the best look at how your email will render on different size screens. Plus, it's completely compatible across email clients. Bring your shop to them with this one. Number 4. Chloe by Themon is a responsive template built to showcase stunning content. From photography to high-quality writing, this pack includes responsive MailChimp templates that use plain HTML, provide multiple layouts, color and font customization, and supply the PSDs. The templates feature export custom layouts, background image changing flexibility, color and structure variations, and more. And each design is drag and drop compatible with precise documentation included. House your high quality content inside beautiful designs with this one. Number 3. Dazzle by Pathfinders is an email template fit for the creative industry. Featuring a flat, modern, and minimalist design, it beautifully showcases photography, videography, fashion, and artwork. It's fit for design agencies, fashion brands, modeling agencies, and more. Created to make businesses stand out in people's inboxes, it's perfect for email campaigns, newsletters, and online catalogs. From creatives to web developers, it's a versatile template that can work across sectors. The pack includes templates for MailChimp, Campaign Monitor, and other builders, and it's sure to be a delight to consume for your audience. Get ready to dazzle them with this one. Number 2. This template by Level 2 is a responsive email template built to showcase creativity, e-commerce, and more. The pack includes a template builder by StampReady, a responsive email template, drag and drop capability, and a modular design. It features unlimited customization and is MailChimp compatible. It also includes HTML responsive email files, a PSD layers file, and documentation to help you get started. Plus, it's compatible with a wide variety of email clients. All you need to do is insert your content. Bring the world to their inbox with this one. Number 1. This Gravity template by Dynamics is a slick email design that's versatile enough to work across different sectors. It features drag and drop functionality, color customization, and multiple HTML files. You can easily save and upload to it and make use of the drag and drop, duplicate, or hide modules. The colors are easily changeable with instant edit functionality and flexible text designs. The preview mode is comprehensive, and it also features an easy export file to desktop function. Plus, it's all designed to work in MailChimp. Make good design the gravity that holds your work together with this one. And that wraps up our list of the 10 best email templates for MailChimp. Which item was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Check out the description for links to all items shown today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Envato channel for more roundups. And check out the next video, selected just for you.